Hello, today we're going to talk about academic networking for the 2019-20 school year. First, let's take a look at the new bell schedule for Lindbergh High School. Notice along the middle here in green you see Power Lunch. So want to distinguish between Power Lunch, which occurs every day, and academic networking here on Thursdays that occurs once a week. So academic networking occurs on Thursday on the block day. You will have Power Lunch, then report to your PAC teacher, and then after PAC, an hour of academic networking. So academic networking is designed for teachers to request to work with students to help provide interventions. Academic networking allows students to pursue academic work, to get some extra help, to make up any missed assignments or tests and quizzes. Sorry about that. To receive interventions, TAM services, RTI supports, and ensuring academic equity for all students. Notice again that it happens on Thursdays from 12:05 to 12:55 following PAC. So again, just to distinguish, what is teacher choice time? So Power Lunch gives the students choice. Academic networking gives the teacher's choice. The teachers will request for students to come to them to work on whatever that teacher needs to see that student for. It's important to note that students cannot leave their PAC classroom unless they've been specifically requested by a teacher, a counselor, or an administrator. If you're not traveling to see a teacher, then you stay in your PAC classroom for an hour of independent study hall. So what can you do during academic networking? The services available will be tutoring, test makeup, library, group project workspaces, counseling appointments, college visits, link career activities, and special school district support services. In addition to that, sometimes there will be other activities that occur during academic networking. We may have pep assemblies or class meetings, picture retakes, club pictures, Renaissance events, and college activities. So how will students sign in and out? Teachers will log into a general form to request students to come to them during academic networking. If a student has already been requested by another teacher, then that teacher can request for the second time slot. So if neither one of those are available, then you can request to see the student the following week. But again, that's the teacher requesting the student to come to them during that time. So what are some guidelines? Students are allowed to move during 2 locations for academic networking. Students will only be allowed to leave their PAC classroom if a teacher has requested them for academic purposes. During academic networking, a bell will ring halfway through, and the students will have 5 minutes to transition to the second location. If they don't have a second location, then they can go back to their PAC classroom. So here are some general guidelines for academic networking. No passes will be written during the passing time. Using the restroom should be done during passing. Once passing time is complete, all students will remain in their locations. Hall sweeps will be done to ensure that all students are out of the hallways and into their locations. The students will sign in at each location. Additionally, all requests for the use of the library, group project areas, counseling visits, all those requests must be made prior to the start of academic networking time. Thanks for watching the academic networking slideshow. I did want to point out that back at the beginning on the first slide, there is a link to the academic networking handbook that has all of the information for students, parents, and teachers about academic networking. Thanks so much. Have a great school year.